Good morning, dear students. I am Jagjeet Kaur Master, Higher Secondary Khanna Sarkar. Today, I am going to deliver my lesson on the topic Traditional Education System versus Lord Macaulay's Education System and Compulsory English 1835. Dear students, do you know who is the father of the modern education system in India? The answer is the father of modern education system in India is Thomas Wellington Macaulay. Macaulay came to India in 1834, but in 1835 he gave his important document on Indian education system, which is also called Macaulay's Minute. The English education system is started by the Lord Macaulay's document. The English Education Act 1835 was a legislative act of the Council of India. It gave effect to a decision in 1835, then Governor General of British East India Company to allocate funds. It was required by the British Parliament to spend on education. Earlier, the Britishers had not given much attention towards the education of the Indians. But now the Britishers had something big in mind. They wanted to introduce Western curriculum in the Indian education, and they wanted to start English as the language of instruction. So there were long discussions on the topic whether Indian education should start on traditional education as it is, or it should be started on modern education way. There were some people who supported Western scientific knowledge for the Indian people, and they were called as Anglicists. On the other hand, who favored traditional Oriental learning are known as Orientalists. So when the government allotted 1 lakh rupee for education reforms in India, the committee was formed under Macaulay, who favored the rise of literate English Babu class in India. अब ब्रिटिशर्स ने इंग्लिश स्टार्ट इसीलिए की थी कि उन्हें लिटरेट बाबू क्लास जो है वो इंडिया में मिलेगी, तो उससे जो है वो उनको एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में और बाकी कामों में भी उनको हेल्प मिलेगी. लेकिन इसका the benefits was for the people of India. They did not want to give benefit to the India, but they only wanted to create a class for their own benefit. Macaulay said that it will create a class of persons who will be Indian in blood and color, but English in taste and opinion. There will be people whose opinion will be different. They will be intellectual peoples, and they will be helpful for us, and they will be our faithful. In traditional education system, the students were taught in traditions, customs, rituals, and religions extra. But the modern education system started by Macaulay, the students are taught science, technology, skills, many practicals are done, and mathematics also. The knowledge imparted education system in traditional education system, it was only for one's own people benefit, but there was no proper system of education. But the Macaulay system of education opened schools and colleges where the school students can get admissions in spite of their religion, any religion, caste, color or creed. So it was a beneficial system for the education of the Indians. Thank you, bachcho.